done? Has he found it already?
You go here outside.
Ken, stop trying to bribe the cameraman. Yeah, I'm great.
Second challenge is all in the communication. So for this challenge, you'll take turns to communicate to each other using these. Let's get them in. So one of you is going to describe what's written on the whiteboard that's going to be placed inside this box. You'll be using the GLI 18 volt 800 to look through the hole and describe what's on the whiteboard. But there's another wee twist. There's also some bogey words written on the whiteboard. If you say these words, you'll get a shocking distraction.
I'm looking forward to it.
What's that?
Never mind.
Is this a new...
The points are going to be awarded on accuracy and speed to complete the task. First up, we've got Jimmy will describe for Ken.
You ready for a challenge too?
Yeah.
Yes. Right, let's go. Oh, dear. Ken, can you hear me?
Can hear you, yeah?
Yeah, I can hear you, man.
Yeah.
You know that thing that you look out of to see outside? Use a lighting device and point it to that thing that you look out of.
Come again?
Ken, I just said it once, man. Not saying it
Come
again,
on,
man.
use a lighting device to look outside.
No! The thing that you look out of, yeah?
Yeah.
Where the outside world is, yeah? Use a lighting device laid on the company Bosch. See, you know what I'm saying, don't you?
Come again, Jim. Use a lighting device
Yes,
and
and use it to make sure that rig opening outside.
use a laser, yeah,
Yeah?
and it's good. Yeah, I can see it from outside.
Yeah, so he's done it, yeah?
He's done a great job, I've got to say.
Yeah, I've got a watery chin now.
The good news is you did avoid the shocking twist. Right, next up, Phil, you're going to do the describing for Jimmy. And Ken, you've got the control of the shocker. Right, let's go.
Let's get in there and have a little listen.
Jay,
Yeah.
upstairs, loudly say that you are RFA.
RFA. Okay, that sounds...
Just say the word, mate.
I am RFA.
You didn't do it. You need to say that you are...
Ready for anything.
Shout it, louder.
I'm ready for anything. I am actually ready for anything. Wow.
Hey.
You like it?
Did you see the floor thump? I think Phil quite likes it.
I love doing it. See, you want one more?
That was a shocking round, wasn't it? Ken,
Sorry.
you look like you were enjoying being in control there.
I tell you. Hey, don't.
Don't worry, mate. I'm a nice guy. I'm not going to do that.
Are you ready for the last round?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Hey, record, yeah?
Yeah?
You are numbers in between rule, in between. Stop.
I haven't pressed it, Ken.
Count the numbers.
Yeah, numbers, yeah. Record, yeah. Inzi, yeah. Like,
Count how many boxes?
yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4 boxes.
Not four.
5?
Yes, sir, yay.
5
You got
boxes.
that? He said something else.
Come on, Ken.
It's a letter.
5 L boxes.
Yeah, that's it. Record.
Stack them.
Wake up! Stop!
There we go.
Stop! Done? And zap resistant.
Who put this in here? 5 boxes stacked.
Huh? Hey!
5 boxes
Yes!
stacked up.
All
Ken.
done!
Wow, clear communication is definitely key in that round.
Take these out already.
Fair play to you, because that is pretty difficult, and I would say you've done pretty
was
well.
actually.
After a few shocks, the scores are in. Would you like to find out?
Yeah.
So, 7 points to Ken, 6 points to Jimmy, and 3 points to Phil.
3.
Only 3.
I got shocked 3 times.
That's why you...
Can I get a point for being shocked?
No.
I'm not feeling kind.
No.
So after 2 challenges, Ken is leading the way. Are you ready for the next challenge?
Yes.
Let's go. Go.